Hey you guys, Esikhomesteddah here. I hope everyone is doing well, you guys. I wanted to bring a quick unboxing of some prep items that I purchased recently. And you guys, even though we getting ready to go into our spring and our fun homesteading gardening months, we still have to focus on prepping and getting the items that we need in order to survive in case the grid goes down. So I just recently purchased these Vont lanterns, and y'all, these things are so cute, but it ain't about them being cute. What I love about these lights is they give off a lot of light. Okay, so I actually purchased these from Amazon, and it is called Vont, F-O-N-T LED camping lanterns, and it is a 4-pack. So 4 lanterns come in here, and also the batteries, you guys, and this is very inexpensive. I'm thinking I paid probably no more than maybe $25, $23, right? So this is what you're gonna get. You're gonna get 4 lanterns. And 3 and 4. All right. So you're gonna also get your batteries. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna load one up, so you guys can see how much light these give off. And you guys, these are definitely excellent for camping, and also if you have a power outage in your home, in your apartment, these are excellent. So these take AA batteries. And again, the batteries come with them. You can't beat that. Okay? So again, I hope everyone is doing well. I know everybody's out there prepping. I've been prepping. I've been cleaning. Yesterday I fell. Y'all probably say, what is Essie doing? Look, yesterday I fell twice in the yard doing too much when I shouldn't have been, because I told y'all I had hip and my back. I had some back issues when I was out in the yard a couple of weeks ago. I moved wrong, y'all. I was doing a lot of work and I moved wrong, and I had to climb up my deck. But I think I moved wrong, you guys, because that following, let me see, Friday, Saturday, I went out dancing. So I was dancing 2 days straight. And that was fun to do. All right, you guys, back to the Vont lanterns. So this is how they work, you guys. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? So if you need a lot of light, you're going to get a lot of light. If you need just a little bit of light, you get a little bit of light. Maybe you like a night light on, you know, around your bedroom or in your hallway somewhere. But these work excellent. I think these should be in every room of your house. You can hang them on the wall. You can hang them in the closet. You can hang it in the bathroom, but I say you should have one of these in every room, because you never know when the power is going to go out. And again, I'm sure these was no more than $25. I will leave my link, my affiliated link, in my description box. But very inexpensive. And I'm probably going to get about 2 more sets of these, and they will be throughout my house. So I hope you guys are continuing your prepping. Make sure you stacking up on your food. Make sure you stacking up on your heat. And I ain't talking about cold heat. Make sure you are stacking up on everything that you possibly will need if the grid goes down. I don't even want to talk about what's going on with the world right now, you guys, but we know the ones that's out here prepping, we're going to be all right. We'll be ready. I ain't gonna say we're gonna be so all right, but at least we know that we'll have food, heat, and some light. All right, you guys? So again, it comes with all the batteries. They're packaged like that. So you're gonna get 12 battery packs for each one of your lanterns. Okay, you guys? So I hope you guys enjoyed this little unboxing. I've been meaning to bring this video to you guys for a minute. But as I said before, SEK has been so busy with so much stuff. So all right, you guys, I got some more footage I need to bring to you guys. I got to get busy. I'm juggling a lot right now, you guys. So S.H.T.F the Homesteader, I want to thank you for tuning into my channel, and I will see you guys on the next video. Until then, peace.